Charge your car battery. Accidentally left the lights on in your car for a long period of time. Listened to the radio for too many hours. You can pray and wish to whatever deities you believe in, but there is no avoiding the consequences of your actions. Leaving electrical devices on like that only means one thing, and that is a dead battery. Without the battery, you'd be hard-pressed to honk your horn, let alone start the car and get it rolling. If you do not want to buy a new battery, replace the dead one. You are going to have to find a way to recharge your battery. Here is how to charge your car battery. Safety first. Your car battery will harm you if you do not follow necessary safety precautions. Always make sure that you have turned off the engine, engaged the handbrake, and are in a relatively safe working area. Never work when everyone else is asleep, because you might need help if there is an accident, and be careful when working under the hood. Sparks can fly if you are not careful, so do not be careless. Only way to properly charge your battery. There really is only one way to properly charge your car battery, and that is with a car battery charger. In simple terms, all you need to do is connect the charger to the battery and then turn on or plug in the charger to start charging your battery. The specifics will mostly be the same, but dependent on your charger and your car. You need to hook up the charger cables to the battery. Make sure that you match positive to positive and negative to negative, and do not cross them when the charger is on, or else you could blow the battery up. Quick fix. Sometimes, all your battery really needs is a quick jump start to get it going. This is not actually recharging your battery. Know that if you do get your car to start with the help of another car without actually using a battery charger, you have not actually charged it. Get a new battery. Having to charge your battery is a sign that you might have to replace it with a new one soon. Even if you charge it or have it fixed, it is very likely that the battery is soon going to become useless. Buying a new battery is your best bet. Prevention. You need to take care of your battery to prevent something like this from happening. The battery, especially the top part, needs to be kept clean so that it works properly. Rust on the cable connectors will reduce the amount of current going through your car. Clean the battery and the top part especially, and remove all signs of corrosion so that your battery does not rust. Sometimes, all you need is a rag and water to clean it. Also, maintaining the water levels in your battery is essential to keeping the battery in top form. And of course, don't leave the lights on. As you can see, Charging a car battery is a relatively simple, easy task. However, you might need to do something more permanent than just recharging your car battery. Have your battery inspected because you might just need to get a new one.